Grab the food, add your spice, make it nice. I'm telling you why. Flavor Station's coming to town. Welcome, Flavor Chasers, to another fun-filled episode of Flavor Station. You're gonna need some carrots, pepper. Chop your carrots. Boom, chop your pepper, shallots, just slice them, bang them in there, garlic, bang that in there, sunflower oil, it's Christmas, let's not overcomplicate things. We're just gonna make this mundane nut roast business time, white pepper, a thing of the past. We're gonna make it nice, couple chili flakes and that. Look and learn, my G's. It's good stuff. Mixed nuts from Lidl, salted, maybe, we'll check. No, not salted. Just be careful with your salt, because a lot of mixed nuts have salt on already. So you don't want to over season. You just want to sweat all that off on a medium heat. Just crush that if you can. Subscribe, of course. Salt to taste, don't forget. Now you just want to get some heat into these nuts. Release any oils. 3 eggs. Happy hen. Not so happy hen, not so happy hen. Wagwan Aldi, I got them eggs from Aldi. That's not good, I like my hens happy. Anyway, you're just gonna mix that in with your nuts. Now, Marmite or yeast extract. It's gonna add a lovely, meaty, rich flavour that you're just lacking in a nut roast most of the time. Boom, breadcrumbs, we're gonna make them because I ran out. I normally buy them. Just get your grater on a baguette or sliced bread or any kind of bread that's a bit hard, bit too hard to eat and chew on. Make them breadcrumbs, baby. That's gonna soak up all that egg and it's all just gonna set and be beautiful. Look at that. No messing. Bang that straight in there. Oh, yes, man. It's a nut roast. It's easy, you nutter. Now, don't forget, this is all day before Christmas Day. This is all day before at the minute. Like all these recipes in this playlist, it's day before so far. So if you watch them in chronological order, we're smashing it. We're prepping for Christmas Day. You just want stuff to throw in the oven. No long ting. Boom. Yeah, baby. In the oven, 180 for 40 minutes. Look at her. Nice and firm. Now what you want to do, you want to chill. Gather your thoughts. Look at an empty oven, then boom. An hour in the fridge or freezer. We're going to peel them off, we're going to slice them, we're going to cling film them, ready to bang in the oven tomorrow. It's Christmas Eve, baby, or maybe it's 2 days before, or 3 days before. You can do this as early as you want, up to and including 3 days, the HO says. So, what we're going to do, slice around the edges, see how it pops out, it's all set, it won't break up. If you follow this recipe, it will not break up, it will not collapse. You could literally bounce it off the wall in a good way, because it's nice and soft to eat. So you're just going to make nice, tidy, rectangular slices out of this now. This is like the perfect substitute. It's got that chew to it. It's got the crunch of the nuts. It's got meaty, yeasty, richness from this Marmite. And then we're just going to slice it. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. You get 5 portions, blood. If you got 5 vegetarians coming to dinner, I don't envy you, to be honest, on Christmas Day. Thanks for watching. Please continue to watch this playlist as we're going to go through all things Christmas. Click that video, subscribe. Love you. Bye.